Hello, everybody. Welcome back to B10X. I'm Antriksh, and today I have two AI tools for you, especially for you photo editors out there, and just for general people too, because who doesn't do editing nowadays for their Instagram photos, for generally, for fun, for work, for professional stuff, and everything. So everyone really wants it, but for you editors out there, it's a bit too special. It's gonna be a lifesaver. Hence, what I consider them as two life-saving websites.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
So one of them actually could bring back some old memories. It restocks, it redoes your old photos, which is pretty good. So we're straight away going to jump into it. I am just going to share my screen, right? Hopefully it is visible to you guys in a bit. Just give me a second, lads. Oh, once I do that, let me just see. Yeah, it's visible, right? So I'm just on Google, right? And I have just written, this is the first website, by the way, replicate.com. I've written replicate.com so that it comes on first. And this is the link which we need to go on. 10 sectarc, GFP GAN, something like that. We go here. I'm not going to actually do it because the best thing about these websites is that it actually tells you about the input and output. So you don't even need to run to show you guys how to do it. So this was the old photo, right? This was the old photo. And we can drop a file here. Scale number is 2. We could mess with it. We could see 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. We can just see this, right? We can see this. Wait for a second. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This was the input. Scale 2, version 1.3. This was the input and this was the output. So any sort of blurred image that goes out that you can't really, remodel it, resize it and stuff, and boom, look at this. Look at the difference. You just need to put in a scale. The more the more higher you put the scale, the more it gets corrected, but the more it looks like being corrected by AI. So you need to take care of that. Generated in 0.5 seconds, 0.6 seconds. See, this is a very beautiful photo of a family, right? A blurrish photo, and boom, there you go. See, you can see some bits of AI here and there, but I mean, wow, like how good does it look? Look at this Albert Einstein. And now it has maybe remodeled the face a bit, but still, come on, guys. So this is something you can really use, see here, right? And here, wow, like look at the difference here in these pictures, right? And in this one. So yeah, I mean, wow. So it's something to take note of. Now, just before I jump onto the second website, right, I would like to tell you guys about the new AI tools in ChatGPT Mastery Workshop. Link is in the bio. You can register by clicking the link in the bio, clicking the link down below. And the best part about this is that it's just for 9 rupees. You can sign up for the workshop for just 9 rupees. It's the best AI tools and ChatGPT workshop out there. It's going to make you the master of ChatGPT. You learn all sorts of AI tools. You can maybe do presentations under 10, 15, 20 seconds. It's top 1% here, right? But I would say that it's 0.001%. That's how top you'll be in terms of Excel users. No need to remember any formula, even one of that. It's going to save 90% of your time, at least 2 hours, at least max to max 90, 95%, 10x your productivity. Get you a greater job with greater responsibilities and a fast-tracked career. Salary, it can grow up to 3x, and all of this just under 10 rupees, only for 9 rupees. You don't even get a packet of chips, a respectable packet of chips for less than 10 rupees. But we give you this best in class, best in town AI tools workshop for just 9 rupees. How cool is that? So yeah, that's about it. Now, if we jump onto our second tool, right, which is, we have talked about it once. Now I am going to just jump in here and boom. Hopefully this is visible to you guys, right? This is IMG Larger. I just went on to IMG Larger's website. Now here too, we don't need to, show up here, and we just go here, AI tools, AI image enlarger, right? Look at this, enlarge and enhance images. So this is the before photo, right? And this is the after. Look at this, before and after. It's a premium thing. The best thing about it is you get 10 per day, so you can mess around with 10 photos here and there. I have exhausted, that's why I'm not able to show you guys here and there. But yeah, obviously I've signed out and I can sign in again. And I've also told you guys the trick of signing in again and again. You just need to add +1 to your Gmail and you get in. See, AI image upscaler, right? See, this is after, this is before, this is the after one. Look how sharp the image becomes without actually distorting its actual details and stuff. Wow, it's just so cool, right? Let us just jump on maybe a cartoonizer, right? And look at this. This was the original photo, and this is the cartoon. This is the original photo, and this is the cartoon. Wow. If I go here, object remover, right? Let's see what we have for object remover. If they have any sort of, no, they don't, right? Oh no, they don't. Okay, yeah, they do. See, there you go, and boom, they're out. See the way it is filled in. Wow, the shadows are gone and everything has been filled in, which is so cool. See here, look at this pump, something like that, and boom, it's gone, and the wall is not distorted. The bin and the pump, boom, wow. Look at this. Look at this. This is so cool. This is just so cool, and you can do this at least 10 with 10 photos per day, I think, which is more than enough to be freemium. So yeah, it is just so very cool to be, be able to do this, all of this for free, and just be able to, get stuff done without paying any money. Because as I keep saying, if even with ChatGPT and other tools like that, if you don't really want it for the long term, and if it's for short term users, or even if you want it for the long term but you feel like there's no extensive use case to it, no need to buy. These freemium models are so good for people like us who don't have to pay for everything to get the services. We get our work done, and boom, we move forward on. Many of us wouldn't even want it for professional reasons. Many of us, they have a picture which is spoiled by someone who just did this. Maybe they just want to get the best out of that picture by removing this guy who photobombed, by just removing them. So that's about it. So thank you so much to everyone who tuned into this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button. Also check the link down below to register for the workshop. To register only for just 9 rupees, which is the best part. You learn everything about ChatGPT and a host of AI tools. So what better time to do this than right now? And as I said, the best thing, only for 9 rupees. Wow. So take care of yourselves. I hope you guys like the video. Until the next time, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers, lads.